10 amazing ways to boost your garden with tea bags. Discover their hidden soil benefits. 1. Soil nutrient booster. Tea leaves add essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to the soil. 2. Protector against pests. Tea scent repels pests, caffeine harms ants and slugs. 3. Compost accelerator enhances compost with nutrients, moisture, and temperature balance. 4. Seed germination enhancer. Most tea bags support seed germination. 5. Moisture retention aid helps soil retain water, reducing watering needs. 6. Natural weed suppressor suppresses weeds as it decomposes. 7. Soil structure enhancer improves soil aeration and drainage. 8. Growth stimulant promotes vigorous plant growth. 9. Eco-friendly gardening reduces waste, adds organic matter. 10. Cost-effective gardening hack saves money while benefiting plants.